welcome to Arts and Props with GL. I'm Gail.
I'm Luba.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year's.
Yeah, thank you. This is our first video of the year and we're so excited. We're going to be using a variety of ornaments, some of the ones that we've done in the past, and we are going to add fingernail polish. And what I love about this project is it involves water and just adding the fingernail polish to the top, and it creates a very fluid and natural look to it.
And you can do it with the whole family.
In the past videos, we've used the skewers here, and we're still using the same thing, but what we're going to do here is you just need a piece of foam. You know, you can buy one at the Dollar Tree, and all you're going to do is take a knife, and we're going to cut some little slits in it, because we're going to leave the cap on the ornament, and then all you're going to do is stick it inside the slit like that, and you can let it dry. So we thought that that would be a cool thing to show you. And the next thing we're going to use are some skewers. It could be something else too that you don't, like a straw or something, and this is just to divide the fingernail polish. And here are our ornaments. We had some white ornaments that came like this. We're also using an ornament filled with black paint. This one is based off of a video we did before. It's our crystallized ornament. And this is super cheap.
And that's an iridescent light bulb.
Yes, it is. This one was clear, this one's white, and this one's clear also. And this is based off of our glitter ornaments. And on this one, we just filled it with two different colors. Believe it or not, that purple was actually a turquoise, and we used a coral, and that's how we got this look.
It's also in our past videos.
Yes.
We have a whole video dedicated to that.
So we have a glitter video if you want to check that out. Then what we're going to do is clean it off using cotton swabs and alcohol.
Okay.
We want to clean off the residue from our fingers and the oils and stuff so that the paint sticks more easily. And then here are our fingernail polishes, and you know, fingernail polish is super expensive. So we like to buy ours at the Dollar Tree. And then what you want to do for this project is have like some kind of container that you buy something at the Dollar Tree. And we have it filled up with water. You want it filled up closer to the top. We don't have it all the way up, but so that way it's easier to take the ornament and to roll it into the paint. And we're approximately 1 inch from the top, just to kind of give you an idea of reference depending on how you gauge things. So this is all we need for this project, and all we're going to do right now is just demonstrate how to clean off the ornament, which is super easy. And we're just going to dab a little bit on with alcohol and just wipe off these ornaments, and we're going to be making 6 of them in total. Anyway, we have our ornaments clean. It's that simple, and now we're ready to do the fun part.
Well, we have Josie here. Josie's right here. She wants to say hi. Happy New Year, everybody.
Okay, so I'm just pouring a little bit in there on top.
That's a thick one.
Ooh, that's fun. Swirlies. Ooh, like it. And try that. Ooh, this is really, I like this one because it's very drippy. Oh my gosh, it looks like a Jackson Pollock painting. Jackson Pollock did a lot of action paintings like this back in the 1960s. Yeah, splatter paintings. And we're actually going to do some more videos with this later on. So that's kind of fun. And I'm just going to go through randomly, but I don't want to
Not too much.
No, not too much. I'm just kind of breaking it up a little bit to kind of get a design that I think would be pretty. I want to break up the blue a little bit more if I can. Here. And I'm going to spread it out to the sides a little bit so I can roll the ornament in it.
How fun is that?
Oh my gosh, isn't this awesome? Yeah. And I kind of like the turquoise. I want to see if I can, since that was kind of heavier. Oop, I'm kind of losing a little bit, but that's okay. We'll keep it kind of like this, and we're just going to roll it.
Gorgeous.
And I went all the way around.
It's a work of art.
And then all we're going to do is I'm going to put my finger up here on top where the paint isn't, and I'm going to try to sit it down one of those slits. And there's our first ornament.
So here's Luba. She's getting ready to create an ornament, and she's using a light blue, a dark blue. The dark blue has a little bit more metallic in it, and we're using a coral color. Look at how beautiful that is and how it's spread out in the water already.
I actually don't want to do anything.
If you want to, you can create one just like that if you're so happy with it. Yeah, it's beautiful. She's not even going to break it up. It's so beautiful.
No. If it mixes on itself, then good for you. That's just
wow.
an accent. Okay, there's too much in one area. And I'm just gonna do minor.
Oh, look at how the
Okay.
pink's mixing in there a little
Okay,
bit. Look at how gorgeous that is right there.
Okay,
The
let's
other
do
colors
it.
coming through.
Let's do it. Yeah, and it's all flowing. So we're just gonna.
So now just rolling it on there so it gathers onto the ornament. It's looking for, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And if you can't tell, Luba likes a lot more color than I do. And it's, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That is so pretty.
One more ornament here.
And the last one we're going to use is our crystallized ornament. And Luba will talk about that in a minute.
Okay, yes. So we start with your preferred color. Just do a little. And then we're gonna use our crystallized ornament, which we did in our first segment. Let's do a little marble effect. I kind of want to catch it when it's all natural in the water. It's almost perfect. Okay.
I like the way that blue almost made two different colors. The light blue made two different colors in there. And this is also the iridescent bulb that we're using. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, pretty.
Look what I'm doing.
Oh my gosh.
Put it on a little setup here.
So Luba took off the cap on this one. We're experimenting with the cap on and the cap off. Pros and cons to both processes. And here are our ornaments.